Hello everyone. I just added a new feature to the Assign Shape Key add-on and it could be quite useful in many situations. So I thought of creating a video to explain its usage. If you don't have the latest version of the add-on yet, you might want to download and install it now. The video description contains the download link and the link to the introductory video. After you install the add-on, in the Active Tool and Workspace Settings area, you will see a new panel called Assign Shape Keys, which allows you to basically assign one or more Bezier curves as shape keys to other curve. These options have already been explained in the earlier video, so we will just have a quick look at the new enhancement. For that, I have created these two shapes. If we look at the vertex structure, the octagon has 8 vertices and the rectangle has 4. In the previous video, we saw the vertex alignment based on the vertex coordinates, and we discussed the options to align the left top vertex of the rectangle to the left top or the top left vertex of the octagon when we assign one curve as shape key to the other. But with the vertex alignment option, the values that we select are the same for all the shapes. So with these options, you can't, for example, align the left vertex of the rectangle to the right one of the octagon. Now with the manual vertex alignment, it's possible to do any kind of arbitrary alignment. Let's see how we can do that. I've selected both the shapes and I go to edit mode by pressing tab. After this, in the assign shape keys panel, there is just one button which says mark starting vertices. When I click this button, I see a marker that indicates the starting vertex of each closed spline within the curves that I have selected. If there are multiple closed splines, then the starting vertices of all the splines will be indicated through the marker like this. And now I can change this starting vertex to any other point. For example, if I set this as the starting vertex, then the curve will start from here. To confirm my selection, I need to press enter, and to cancel it, I need to press escape. If I now again click mark starting vertices, we will see that the new vertex position is changed from this to this. With these starting vertices, we should see this vertex mapped to this after the shape key assignment. I'll go back to the object mode and I again get the original options here. I need to select manual alignment in the vertex alignment option. Let me just make this rectangle the target and I'll click assign shape keys. And now we have the new shape key for the rectangle. And just to verify the vertex alignment, I have created these two torus objects, and the torus is parented to the starting vertex of the rectangle, so we can see the alignment even during the transition. And so we see that the starting vertices are aligned as per our selection. Let's try some other alignments. So this time let's align this vertex with, let's say, this one. I'll press enter. So this to this. And I click assign shape keys. I'll also enable the torus objects so that we can see the transition. So again, the alignment is based on the starting vertices. Let's see one last example. And this time we align this vertex to this one and press enter to confirm. Switch back to object mode. Select the rectangle as the target and click assign shape keys. Let's also enable our torus objects. And again we see the alignment based on the starting vertices. Just a last point before I close this video. These marker objects are actually spheres. And when you click this option, mark starting vertices, you won't be able to use any other commands until you press either enter to confirm or escape to cancel. But you can change the size of these markers by scrolling the mouse wheel while you keep shift and control pressed. Scroll up for increasing the size and scroll down to decrease the size, just in case the curves are too large or too small for these markers. And to reset the size, you hold down shift and control and press the middle mouse button. I hope this feature makes the assign shape keys tool more practical and useful. Thank you very much for watching the video.